your margins on the outside, 1 inch all the way around, your line spacing, double space, your heading, your title. Now you've begun typing your essay. Now you're going to maybe type down here. We're just going to hit the return key till we get to the next page here. Now, as we've gotten to the next page, we're going to realize that we'll need to put page numbers onto our essay. Now, the way that you do that, you go on up here to Insert, and there's a thing here you can insert called Page Numbers. Imagine that. It is very straightforward. You don't want the position of it to be at a footer. You want it to be up at the top of the page as a header. You want it to be aligned to the right, so make sure you do that, aligned to the right. Now, for my particular class, I do not want you to show the number on the first page, but your teacher might have it differently. If the number is on the first page, that's fine. If it's not, that's up to your teacher to tell you, and you should follow your teacher's directions. So after you've put that at the top of the page as a header, aligned to the right, then you go ahead and click OK, and you'll notice that number 2 pops up right down here. And so as we type, I'm going to pretend that I can type really fast and pretend there are words here. We get to the next page, you'll notice that the number 3 automatically pops up on our page. Now, that is very good for us to have because it helps keep our pages in order if they ever get loose. The next thing that we have to put in is our header. So if you remember up here, this here, your name, teacher's name, class, and date, that is the heading with an ing. The header goes up at the top of the page, the head of the page they call it. And so the way we do that is go up here to View, right up here in the top left on your Microsoft Word toolbar, and you're going to want to go ahead down here to Header and Footer. So again, we've clicked View, Header and Footer, click on that. Now you'll notice we have some things here. We don't want to type in the footer part of the page, we want to type in the header part of the page. You'll notice that our cursor is over on the left-hand side. We want the header to be our last name only, and we want it to be lined up on the right-hand side of the page. So I will go ahead and use the Tab key to move over closer to here, and then we're going to type in your last name. Okay, and then you go ahead and click Close, and now you'll notice it's gone slightly gray. That means that it is in the header portion of your essay and it is not the darker color that the normal typing in the body of your essay is. And you also notice that it will put that on every single page that you then go to after you're typing. And so that is how you set up your header and the page numbers in MLA format on a Microsoft Word document.